warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My dear students, today we are going to discuss stoichiometry. Stoichiometry is the combination of two Greek words, stoichion and metron. Stoichion means element, metron means measurement. There are two types of measurement in chemistry, qualitative and quantitative. Qualitative measurement and quantitative measurement. But in case of stoichiometry, we deals with the quantitative measurement. In case of quantitative measurement, we deals with mass, volume, and number of particles. Now, the literal meaning of word stoichiometry is quantitative elemental measurement. Quantitative elemental measurement. Definition of stoichiometry. Stoichiometry is the branch of chemistry in which we deals with the quantitative relationship between reactants and products in a balanced chemical equation. Stoichiometry is the branch of chemistry in which we deals with the quantitative relationship between reactants and products in a balanced chemical equation. Now, my dear students, what are the basic assumptions to discuss stoichiometry, or what are the basic conditions to study stoichiometry? First condition is all the reactants must be converted into product. It means that reaction should be irreversible. Second condition, no side reaction takes place. Or you can say that no formation of byproduct. The third condition is law of mass conservation and law of definite proportion should be obeyed. And the fourth condition is if the reaction is gas phase, or for the gas phase reaction must obey Gay-Lussac's law of combining volume.